Time once again for The Law and You. Joining us today, we have attorneys Molly Clark and Greg Fellerman. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
Good. We love having you here. You always help our viewers so much.
Thank
so
you.
let's get to this viewer submitted question. This comes from, who's come from? Frank in Pittston. Frank's saying, I have had a lot of damage to my home lately as a result of all these storms. My insurance company is telling me my damages are not covered. Is there anything I can do? There have been so many storms this summer.
This is a perfect question for Molly. She's been through some problems with her house. Why don't you tell us all about what they can do? Go ahead, Molly.
I have had some issues myself. This is so unfortunate, and we have had the craziest summer of storms. So what I think you need to do first and foremost is get a copy of your policy. Take a look at it. If you have trouble, understanding some of the terms because they could be really cumbersome, we'll help you. We'll take a look at it for you. We'll walk you through it. But sometimes there's some exclusions in your policy that does prevent you from recovering. But I don't think that's the norm. Most of these storms and the damage from these storms has been covered in a lot of situations. Mine has, which has been good. But we'd be happy to help you out. We'll look at your policy for you. We'll walk you through it. The short answer is you might have coverage, you might not. It depends on the terms of your policy, right, Greg?
And I also think anytime you have one of these situations, and Molly can tell you, you need to get a private adjuster involved to help you deal with your insurance company. Because yes, the attorneys can get involved, but it's not really the best use of their time. So these private adjusters come out. There's a few in the area. We can give you recommendations of a few. Molly's used them.
Yeah, they do a great job.
Yeah, I think so. I've seen the work they do, and they speak the language of the insurance companies. They do the things that you won't be able to do on your own. And I think, you give us a call, we can get you set up, and you'll be very happy with the work that gets done for you. And they do it on a contingent basis, so they get a little recovery off the top, and they earn their money. Great job.
Yes.
All right, guys, some great tips today. Thanks so much for your time. If you have some questions for them, give them a call, find them online, or even on social media. And if you have a question for The Law and You, submit it at pahomepage.com.